how to fix Roblox application crashing again and again on Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix the crashing of your Roblox application. So if you are playing Roblox and the application crashes again and again, then here are some quick fixes for the same, especially for Android. So what you can try to do is simply tap and hold on to your application icon and click onto this app info button. Now this will lead you to the settings of your Roblox application. So from here simply choose storage usage, and under storage usage click on clear cache. Once you will do this, and here it will reflect 0 byte, you can try to relaunch your application and see if the issue still persists. So if it still persists, what you can do is click onto this force stop and again choose force stop and then relaunch your application. Even if this does not work, you can uninstall the application from here and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store, or even try to restart or reboot your mobile device, and sometimes it works. Also do check for if there are any updates of the Roblox application on the Play Store, or also if there are any updates for your mobile device firmware itself. So these are some of the most common fixes to fix Roblox application in Android. So let us know if those worked for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.